like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting an evening tour of this brand new modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property is in a well-planned and very private, quiet and peaceful community. And we're making this video in the evening to showcase how well lit and well designed the property is. And it shows up so well in the evening. Let's go! Through your pedestrian gate, you have a carport area to your left for 3 vehicles. It's completely covered, very well lit with a wooden design for the ceiling. This property already has appliances for the kitchen area and also a washer dryer, and they're just about to be installed right here. My first impression of this property is it's very pulido. You can see how well made the entire space is, and here you have your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This property just finished construction. That's why there are still some items that are just for final finishing. We're here now in the living space, which is large enough to have a sala set. You already have a Daikin inverter air conditioning unit right here and CCTV as well for the common areas. So you can have an L-shaped sofa right here and the television on the other side. And from your living space, you now have your dining area right here. I love how well lit the entire house is. So you can easily have a table here for 6 to 8 people. And check this out, you have an almost floor to ceiling window which gives you a view of your parking area, but that gives you so much natural light. And right here you have your modern kitchen. You have a peninsula countertop right here attached to the wall with 2 levels. So you can have some stools on this side while having this side as a meal prep space. It's also maximized for additional storage on this side. And from this angle, you can see how spacious the area is. You already have a cooktop induction hub that is Elba branded right here with an Elba branded range hood. You also have an LG refrigerator and an Elba oven and microwave built in already. And you can see while you're preparing your meals, you have a clear view of your dining space and even up to your living area. And on this side, you have access towards your service area. Let's take a quick look. Now you have a heavy wash area right here, and you can potentially have your washer dryer in this space. And here's a view of the back of the house. What's nice is you have maki plants here, landscaped area. So you can still maximize this in the future if you want to clear these plants. But right now, it's a very relaxing site. Okay? And you have these stairs leading up to your staff room. You have a second auxiliary space right here with a sink area. So the faucet is just about to be installed. Additional storage and your staff room. You have a bathroom right here. The fixtures are just about to be installed. But you can see it's an area for a single bed or potentially even a double bunk space. This is an area for potentially a double bunk space. And you have storage as well and a large window. And of course, having your staff area as a separate space also can let you close off the house if you're going out of town. And if your staff doesn't need to access anything in the house, you can close everything up and they still have that living space. Okay? We're back here and you have a first bedroom at the ground floor. So the house just finished construction, that's why we still have some materials here that are gonna get cleared out. You already have an air conditioning unit and an ensuite bathroom. Now, if you don't need a room at the ground floor, this can be maximized as a den space, but this is also excellent if you have a senior member in the family or if you have someone who is about to give birth and you need a space for the lady of the house to stay in so that she doesn't have to go up and down after giving birth. Now, there's going to be a tempered glass barrier that's going to be installed right here for the staircase area as well. And you have an additional powder room. So this is for guests. So that's excellent so that if you have guests, they don't need to go through the first bedroom if they need to use the washroom. Okay, let's head on up. This little extension right here is a nice interior decoration opportunity because you can have some small decors right here. Natural wood for the stairs and very sturdy. You have 3 bedrooms at the second level and you have your 5th bedroom at the 3rd level. Let's begin by taking a look here at the 2nd bedroom. You have a water-resistant flooring with a wooden design, cove lighting, and check out the ceiling height. You also have a shadow line here to add additional depth to the ceiling design. And I love the height of the doors. You have an ensuite bathroom right here as well. You already have provision here for LAN and plenty of outlets. And then you have built-in storage right here. I like that it was built in so that it doesn't stick out. It's recessed along the wall. And here you have your 3rd bedroom. What I've noticed about the size of these rooms is they don't feel cramped at all. There's plenty of space for even a queen or even a king-sized bed if you want most of the space to be filled up by the bed already. And then you have your storage on this side. With an ensuite bathroom right here. A floor-to-ceiling tiling. You have a window for ventilation. Very modern and minimalist in terms of the color scheme. And right here you have your primary bedroom. So it's an almost square-shaped room, which is excellent because it will be easier to configure your furniture. But I like this area where you have a higher ceiling in this space so that you can have 2 sides of cove lighting. You can potentially have your bed right here, and then you have such an oversized window. And in addition, you have an area here for a private balcony for the primary bedroom. Now, the house is just about to finish construction, so there's going to be a tempered glass barrier right here to be installed. But in terms of safety, it's not a straight drop. You have the roofing here of the parking. Okay? So, safe design. Here you have your walk-in closet space, and then your bathroom. I love how maximized the space is, and you still have your 5th bedroom at the 3rd floor. Let's go. We chose to showcase this property in the evening because we could see how well lit the entire space is, and there's even a provision here for an additional light fixture. So after you purchase the property and you choose to get an interior designer, you can still have additional aspects to personalize the house even further. And this is a proper 5th bedroom with storage, space for even a semi-double bed, and an ensuite bathroom. So 5 full bedrooms, 5 full ensuite bathrooms with a powder room and a 3-car garage. So that caps off our quick house tour. More about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. This property is very near Alabang area, and it also has fast access towards Sukat Road and SMCTBF, heading towards Skyway and the rest of Metro Manila. And you can also get in touch with us to MetroGuide Realty at gmail.com if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel. You can also contact and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. Once again, my name is Jig Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.